In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted emails on Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is filling up with messages you don't want, blocking is a quick way to stop them from reaching you again. This works best when you know the exact sender you want to silence, and it's easy to do right from the Yahoo Mail webpage. I'll show you a fast in-the-moment option, and then a settings-based method for managing a longer list of blocked senders. First, let's block directly from a message. Open Yahoo Mail and click to select any email from the sender you no longer want to hear from. With the message selected, look along the top toolbar for the icon with three dots, sometimes labeled More. Click it and choose Block Senders. Yahoo will ask you to confirm. Once you approve, that sender is added to your block list, and future emails from that address won't land in your inbox. This is the quickest way to deal with an unwanted message the moment you see it. Now, if you want more control or you don't have a message handy, use the settings route. In Yahoo Mail, click the gear icon in the upper right to open settings, then choose More Settings at the bottom of that panel. In the left sidebar, open Security and Privacy. Here you'll find your block list. Click Add to Blocked Addresses, type the exact email address you want to block, and save. You can repeat this for as many addresses as you need. This page is also where you can review your list over time and remove an address if you change your mind later. It's a good habit to double check the spelling before saving, since blocking is exact and applies to the specific address you enter. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. Blocking is great for persistent senders you recognize, like a mailing list you no longer want. If it's a newsletter you signed up for, consider using the unsubscribe link inside that email so you stop it at the source. For suspicious or obviously junky messages, avoid clicking links or downloading attachments. Managing your blocked list in security and privacy every so often keeps things tidy and helps you correct any accidental blocks. That's all there is to it. Use the message level block for speed and the settings page to manage everything in one place. With these tools, you can keep your Yahoo Mail inbox focused on what matters.